Where are we going?
Denny's.
Why?
Because.
Do you like Denny's?
Yeah.
Is it your favorite? What do you think of potatoes? You spit them out.
Melissa started a fresh pot of decaf to be right up.
Is your pancakes? Yeah, we like pancakes, huh? So, we're going to Costco. Stock up on toilet paper. And whatever else we can find. Can you believe it? It is September in San Diego and it's raining. This is ridiculous. Wow. I find it super ridiculous. It's not cold or anything. I mean, it's about 76 degrees today, so it's really kind of humid and warm. It's just super wet, which is not fun. People don't know how to drive in San Diego, not when it's raining anyway. So here I am waiting in the car while my sister goes and grabs some Jamba Juice. I dropped her by the door to try and keep her dry. And then heading home, getting off the road, and staying inside for the rest of the day. I like the rain. Anybody who lives somewhere where it doesn't rain all the time loves the rain. But I don't like driving in it. I like to be at home, cuddled up on the couch, under the blankets, watching a movie, or reading a book, drinking coffee, or hot cocoa, or even hot tea, and just relaxing and listening and watching the rain. But I do not like being out driving in the rain. Give me another one. As you can see, Eric really wanted his dinner. But now he's dead asleep and I'm about ready to go to bed myself. So if you are enjoying following my vlog, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Good night.